Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. In today's video we're actually going to be making a liner lock folding knife. This is the first time I've attempted making one of these, so hopefully all goes well. The blade and spring are going to be made out of 1074 carbon steel, and all the other components are going to be 316 stainless. So I finished grinding these out. I'm going to glue these two together so I can grind the exact shape that they're both the same, and I'm going to get the exact dimensions and profile with the file and the Dremel. Now that the profiling is all done, it's time for the heat treat. Okay, so the blade has been heat treated and tempered, same as the spring. I'll put it all together here and show you how it's working, and then it will be grinding the bevels.